Alright guys, I'm making this video today because I find a lot of times looking on YouTube for different videos, everything I see posted seems to be the longest route possible, trying to get something done. So today I got a 3500 HD Duramax and we're doing the downpipe removal so we can get to the uppipe due to the EGR issues with the block off plate with the EGR delete done a while back. That's leaking now. Seems to be a common issue once these things are in here for a little while. But what I wanted to point out today is taking this downpipe off. You don't have to take this heat shield off. Everybody struggles getting to these bolts here to get these things off, and it's just not necessary. If you got a pry bar of some sort, I got a like 24-inch pry bar here. That's really all you need, and it's not that bad. You're not prying against anything that's going to break. And you don't need to lower the exhaust. You don't need to take the exhaust off. You don't even need to loosen it anywhere but right here at this band clamp here. You got to take out your DPFE injector here. But once you disassemble up top, you got to remove the heat shield from the turbo. There's two sensors up there, and then you take this one out here and remove your clamp up top where it goes into the turbo. This thing will pretty much wiggle itself out, but you need a pry bar just to touch up on this one top part here. I'll pull this thing out and show you, but it comes right out of the side just like that. And there's the clamp I was trying to leave in there to show you guys, but literally this part of the heat shield right here is the only thing that touches the upper heat shield. That is right up there on the bottom of the turbo. So once you use a pry bar, you barely just nudge that past the heat shield on the turbo, and this thing will fall right out. As you can see, these bolts are kind of in a crappy location. I did not do this. This is from the factory, I'm assuming, or crushed some other way, but not by me. As you can see, the only thing I did was just rub across right here. So, we can put this back in just like it is, or just take the heat shield off like everyone does anyway. But I'm going to put it back in just like it is and try to reuse it. So I just wanted to post that. Now you can really get to your up pipes here and the bolts. So that's my next project. I'll try to post a video on that and how fun that is. But just so you know, you don't have to loosen up the exhaust, lower it. You don't have to remove the heat shield if you don't want to, because those bolts right there, once they're up against that firewall, are a pain in the butt to get to. So you got a lower band clamp, upper one, and then you got a bracket right here that bolts to the side of the manifold. And your three sensors right here, you got two up top, which come out really easy once you get them broken loose. Nothing too crazy. And then your one at the bottom with the injector. So that's it. And then it pops out and gives you access to your pipes here. And I did forget to mention, you do have to remove the inner fender well, which you should do anytime you're doing anything on these things.